Hola amigos from Venezuela, from Colombia and from around the world. Venezuela is suffering, and not that long ago it was the wealthiest country in South America. Now it is facing the worst humanitarian crisis in the Western Hemisphere. Over 3 million Venezuelans have been displaced in the region, and a number that is growing by literally thousands every day. There is no food, the health system is crumbling, and millions are feeling the impact, and many of them children and old people. Nicolas Maduro's regime, which is responsible for this crisis, is currently refusing to allow any humanitarian aid into the country. We must break this impasse, or soon many Venezuelans will be on the verge of starvation or death. Juan Guaido, who has been recognized as Venezuela's legitimate president by over 40 nations and the EU, and Leopoldo Lopez, an opposition leader currently under house arrest in Caracas, have asked us to help organize a beautiful concert to bring global attention to this unacceptable and preventable crisis and raise funds for essential humanitarian aid. This historic concert will take place on February the 22nd in Cucuta, Colombia, right on Venezuela's border. Featuring a wonderful lineup of international and regional artists, the concert will also be live streamed to millions around the world. Please join the cause now. Every dollar counts. Our goal is to raise $100 million in 60 days and reopen Venezuela's border so that humanitarian aid can finally reach those millions who need it the most. Rest assured that 100% of your donations will go to Venezuelans in need. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Cheers.